Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, about a year back, when I moved to Kolkata, this was the biggest highlight for me, that is getting my own room here. See, since childhood, I always had this vision, a room with a big window where I could sit, see the world outside and all the greenery, have my own desk, my own little space, and all that. Because back in Bilaspur, I did have a room. My parents, like, they did everything for me. Growing up, I had table and my own room and stuff. But then, it was just that picture I had in my head about this whole greenery outside my room. And when you're growing up, you start feeling like there's a difference between what you need and what you want. And I wanted this, a big window, a desk where I could work as a freelancer or remotely, and a setup that just felt mine. So when I shifted to Kolkata with my parents last year, I finally got that. And this room, this window, it just felt right. And being independent, being financially independent, and setting up your own table, your own setup, your own bed, and everything, it just feels right. And that's when I decided, to order this takeout computer table from Amazon. At first I thought maybe I'd call an installer, but then मेरी मम्मी ने बोला कि अरे यार खुद ही ट्राई करते हैं ना, मुझे ये सब करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, लेट्स ट्राई इट. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, ट्राई कर लेते हैं, क्या जा रहा है, अभी आई एम फ्री ओनली. एंड ऑनेस्टली दैट little afternoon turned into one of the most fun afternoons I've had in a long time. क्योंकि लंच के बाद we just sat, we just open मतलब इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड एवरीथिंग. इतने सारे स्क्रूज थे, इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे, और बहुत एक्सेस लाइक कंफ्यूजन था. आई तो जस्ट सेड कि यार मम्मी मेरे से नहीं होगा, क्योंकि देर आर टू मेनी थिंग्स. बट मम्मी वाज लाइक चलो देखते हैं क्या है नहीं है, एंड शी जस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज द थिंग्स कि ये यहाँ का स्क्रू है, दिस इज दैट एंड दैट whatever. So yeah, she gave the direction and then we started it up. And as you can see, it was really chaos. Like we are fixing here and there, mom telling me this goes here, not there, both of us second guessing. And I didn't know like we were even doing it right, but slowly, piece by piece, the table started taking the shape, and we were just confident कि अरे हो जाएगा, अब तो हो जाएगा. So all of that later, like it wasn't just about fixing the furniture. I realized that it was that spending that real time with my mom, and it doesn't happen often these days because usually she has a lot of other things to do and I have a lot of different interests, and it just doesn't collide. And what I felt was parents would just want to do things with us that we don't always enjoy, but we want to do things they don't enjoy. But this afternoon, we were like sweatily tired but laughing, and in front of us stood this table that I still use today. So, yes, 1 year later, I can say that it just held up really well. And right now, there's no issues, no complaint, and I just love this table. And I love the memory of building it even more. So yeah, this is the story of how my dream room in Kolkata got its dream desk.